Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about shared query in Azure DevOps, right? So what is shared query basically in Azure DevOps? So a query which is written by someone and will be shared by that person so that it can be viewed by everyone with the access to the project, right? So let's suppose even though this you are a dev lead and you have created one query and you have saved that query as a shared query, then that query can be used by anyone who has access of the project, right? So let's quickly see how we can create a shared query. To create a shared query, you need to click on the boards and then you need to click on the queries. Inside queries, you'll get an option. By default, you will be landing to favorite page, okay? And then you need to click on all, and as soon as you click on this all, you will see the two sections in the queries, right? One is my query and the one is shared query, right? So my queries, again, as the name suggested, the queries which are belongs to me and no one else can see these queries, and even though they are they have the access of the project, right? But they can't see those queries because those queries are specifically for specifically I have created those queries basically. Okay, now what is shared query? Again, as I said, if you created any query and if you save that query as a shared query, then whosoever is having the access of the project, they can view the query. Now quickly see how we can create a shared query. Just click on the new query button over here, and let's suppose I want all the test cases present in this project. Okay, so I'll simply select work item type as test case, click on run, and I'll get to know all the test cases over here, right? And what I will do, I'll click on save query. As soon as I click on save query, this dialog box will open. It will ask you the title of the query, or you can say like by what name you want to save your query. Okay, so let's say my all test cases. So I have named this query as all test cases, and I can save this query in my query, or I can save this query as a part of shared query. So let me save this as a part of shared query. So now if you go to queries again, if you click on the shared query, you'll see all test cases. Okay, so this is the query which we just created. Okay, and now anyone who has a project access, they can use this query, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video.